Hi there, my name is Eamon Carrig. I'm the Senior Director of Off-Planet Systems here at ICON. I'm responsible for the engineering group that is charged with developing technologies for extending the built environment off the planet. We're primarily focused on the lunar surface, but are increasingly interested in extending building systems to deep space and Mars and beyond. So my group is primarily focused on maturing a technology we call laser VMX, which is a way of turning moon dirt into a performant building material. The key to this technology is that it lives off the land. It uses what's called in situ resource utilization, which means that all we have to bring is a very special robot, some electrical energy, and we can use the material that's there on the moon's surface to produce buildings of all stripes. Of course, building the moon base is difficult. Developing the technologies to survive in the extreme environments on the lunar surface is amongst the most difficult engineering challenges that one can imagine. Many of my people are intrinsically motivated. I don't think I could keep them from working on this problem if I tried. And so mostly our work and the culture that we have in this building reflects that childlike joy with getting to do really interesting things every day. If you told 10-year-old me that you get to work on building a moon base every day, I doubt I'd believe you. But here, sitting where I am now, I think the most exciting part is being able to foster the engineers in my group to extend their careers and realize their potential. And I think each one of the folks on my team is doing incredible work and benefiting not only themselves, not only the company, not only the country, but humanity at large.